Want real results losing belly fat? In this video, I'll show a simple 3-stage food plan that works, not fake tips. Stage 1 focuses on calorie deficit. Eat fewer calories than you burn. This forces your body to burn stored belly fat. Protein is key. Aim for high-protein foods like eggs, chicken, beef, fish, lentils, or tofu. It will keep you full. Here's a practical meal: grilled chicken, veggies, and brown rice. High protein, low calorie, keeps hunger down. Stage 2 brings you closer to real belly fat loss. Now we track macros: protein, carbs, fat, precisely. Protein high, lower fats to 20 to 25 percent of calories, so you have room for healthy carbs like oats or sweet potatoes. Avoid sugary drinks, refined carbs, and deep-fried foods. These add belly fat fast. Stage 3 is toughest. Your hunger rises. Use high-volume foods, low calorie but filling. High-volume foods like salad, steamed veggies, soups fill you with fewer calories. They keep you full and support your fitness goals. Consistency is everything. Every day matters. Track your meals and don't skip meals.
Checklist. 1. Deficit calories. 2. High protein. 3. Track macros. 4. Eat high volume foods. Drink water, sleep well, and manage stress. They help belly fat loss naturally.
Big mistake: eating junk, skipping protein, or eating late at night. Here's how a real day looks. Meal 1: omelet, lunch protein plus veg, dinner light salad. Remember, calories, protein, consistent eating, no sugar, high volume foods. Try these tips for 30 days. You'll see change. Comment your results below.
Subscribe for more real health tech videos. Let's beat bad together.